Some stories are not just tales of success. They are blueprints for the human spirit's boundless potential. Today we delve into the extraordinary life of Oprah Winfrey, a woman who rose from crushing poverty in rural Mississippi to become one of the most influential figures of our time. Her journey is one of heartbreak, resilience, and ultimately, triumph. Oprah's life is not merely a story of riches. It's a masterclass in overcoming adversity. Born on January 29, 1954, Oprah Gail Winfrey entered the world under challenging circumstances. She was born to Vernita Lee, an unwed teenage housemaid, and Vernon Winfrey, who worked as a coal miner, barber, and later a city councilman. Oprah's early years were spent with her grandmother, Hattie Mae Lee, in the small rural town of Kosciuszko, Mississippi. Life was far from easy. Oprah often wore dresses made of potato sacks, a detail she would later recall with a mix of humor and poignancy. Don't forget to subscribe, like us, turn on the notification bell, and comment. From an early age, it was clear that Oprah was no ordinary child. Her grandmother taught her to read by the age of 3, and she quickly developed a love for words and storytelling. At church, her ability to recite Bible verses with confidence and emotion earned her the nickname the Preacher. But beneath the precocious exterior lay a child grappling with the harsh realities of life. At the age of 6, Oprah was sent to live with her mother in Milwaukee. Life there was tumultuous and unstable. With her mother working long hours, Oprah often found herself unsupervised. The unstructured environment led to years of abuse and trauma at the hands of family members and others close to her. By the age of 13, she was overwhelmed by the weight of her circumstances and ran away from home. Her life took a pivotal turn when she was sent to live with her father in Nashville, Tennessee. Don't forget to subscribe, like us, turn on the notification bell, and comment. Vernon Winfrey, though strict, provided Oprah with the stability and discipline she desperately needed. He emphasized the importance of education and self-respect, values that would shape her future. Under her father's guidance, Oprah began to thrive. She became an honor student, joined the debate team, and earned the title of most popular girl in her school. It was during high school that Oprah's talent for public speaking began to shine. She won a scholarship to Tennessee State University through a speech competition. There, she pursued a degree in communication and joined the college radio station WVOL. It was her first taste of the media world, and she was hooked. After college, Oprah landed her first on-air job at WLAC-TV in Nashville, making history as the first African-American woman to anchor the evening news. However, her emotive storytelling style, which connected deeply with audiences, wasn't a fit for traditional news reporting. Undeterred, Oprah shifted her focus to talk shows. She moved to Baltimore in 1976 to co-host People Are Talking. Her ability to connect with guests and audiences transformed the struggling show into a local sensation. But the real turning point came in 1984 when Oprah was recruited to host AM Chicago. The show was on the brink of cancellation, but Oprah's charm and authenticity quickly turned it into the city's highest-rated talk show. Within a year, it was renamed The Oprah Winfrey Show, and its national syndication marked the beginning of her meteoric rise. Don't forget to subscribe, like us, turn on the notification bell, and comment. Oprah's show was groundbreaking. While other talk shows focused on sensationalism, Oprah tackled deep, meaningful issues: mental health, abuse, and personal transformation. She created a safe space where people felt heard and understood. This unique approach resonated with millions, propelling her to national fame. By the late 1980s, Oprah became a household name, and her show was broadcast in over 100 countries. Always looking ahead, Oprah made a bold move in 1988 by founding Harpo Productions, giving her complete creative control over her content. This decision was revolutionary, especially for a Black woman in a predominantly white industry. Harpo Productions became the foundation of Oprah's vast media empire, producing films, television shows, and later, digital content. Oprah's influence extended far beyond television. Her role in Steven Spielberg's The Color Purple earned her an Academy Award nomination, proving her talent as an actress. In 2000, she launched O, the Oprah magazine, a publication that became an instant success. Her book club turned unknown authors into bestsellers overnight, a phenomenon famously called the Oprah effect. Despite her immense wealth and influence, Oprah never forgot where she came from. In 1998, she established the Oprah Winfrey Leadership Academy for Girls in South Africa, a $40 million investment in education. Through her Angel Network, she raised millions for charity, helping underprivileged communities around the globe. Don't forget to subscribe, like us, turn on the notification bell, and comment. In 2011, Oprah launched her television network, OWN, marking another milestone in her illustrious career. Though it faced initial challenges, the network eventually found its footing, becoming a platform for stories of empowerment and personal growth. By this time, Oprah had solidified her status as one of the richest and most influential women in the world, with a net worth exceeding $2 billion. More than her wealth, it is Oprah's spirit that inspires millions. She once said, "Turn your wounds into wisdom." Her journey from a poor girl in Mississippi to a global icon shows that with resilience, hard work, and unwavering belief in oneself, anything is possible. Today, Oprah Winfrey stands as a symbol of hope, perseverance, and the power of dreams. She reminds us all that no matter how humble our beginnings, we have the potential to rise, inspire, and leave an indelible mark on the world.